So in my crawdad slash minnow trap, caught a minnow in the first day. I just wanted to show you because it's my first minnow I've caught using this trap. See if I can get him out. Probably be a second. Find him. He is tiny. But, he's a striped minnow. Don't know what type he is. But he's like, so, you can't really see in my camera because he's not that good. But, he is like black, grayish stripe, and then on the bottom he's, like silvery. You can't see it through the camera, it just looks white, but it's actually silvery and shiny. And on the top he's a greenish, grayish. Yeah, but here's a tiny one. This is on my trophy fish. Alright, so this is not really that interesting. It's the first one I caught, so I thought I would just take a video of it. Alright, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe and watch my other videos if you think my channel is cool. Alright, bye.